Okay, so last night we started wrestling with this eWASM based Ethereum type blockchain, and I got a certain way through. Where we kept failing was deploying. And what I did is let's see, I added a log statement to show at least what the error was, and it's this contract code couldn't be stored. Please check your gas amount. So I've been playing with different combinations of gas price, gas amount, um, maximum, all the different. And so far, I haven't found the right combination to actually get it to be happy, and I haven't found the right commands to actually print out. One suggestion I had seen was to see what I think the maximum gas was in the previous blocks, and that'll give you some ideas. And I haven't figured out what that exact command is. It's pretty straightforward commands in get, but this I haven't found it. So we're gonna keep fighting with it. Trying to get it has to do with. Let me bring roll scroll. Oh, see if I can scroll where you can. Yeah, with the params. So I tried different gas limits. I tried doing something like just setting different things, and no matter what I do, it is not taking it. So there's some more research to be done. See here, I tried, this was something, setting the amount of gas and setting a gas price that had worked for someone else. I've tried gas limits. I've tried various and sundry things. One point I did get, if you make the gas too low, it'll complain. And I'm wondering if one way to go about it is to just kind of work the number up from something that's really low and see if I can get it to go up and up and up. Could also be that there isn't enough, you can't get the, there's not enough Ethereum in the account. Another possibility. So we're going to keep playing with this and see if we can get this to go. As you can see, the chain itself is running. But there was something else someone brought to my attention, another viewer. Let's see, is this it? Is this up here? Yeah. So it is called ethemint. Now, they have pretty good documentation on it. It is proof of stake, but it still uses the EVM. You can run Ethereum as an application-specific blockchain. So Cosmos apparently lets you create application-specific blockchains, which is very interesting. So they have the features of Ethereum, but they benefit by Tendermint's proof of stake, and you can interact with other Cosmos-based blockchains. Very interesting. It uses Geth, which is, of course, the well-established library that for Ethereum. You can connect to everything because they use JSON RPC. So it probably doesn't get you all the advantages of the Ethereum 2 concept, but it certainly, it does not use eWASM, which probably, let's see what they say about languages. Let's see. So it's probably in terms of the contract languages. Let's see. So this looks like their packages. Let's see. They're the Cosmos REST API, Ethereum, the JSON RPC reference, let's see, so we got core concept, guides, we got, okay, encoding. So they have different encoding standards. And what's this pending state? Okay. Okay. There's no concept of a pending state. Instant final. No, that's interesting. That means it can probably be a lot faster, I would think. So this is a very interesting thing that we should also explore. I want to see if I can get the other one working because it's more in the spirit of Ethereum 2, which is going to be a big deal. But this is a very interesting technology. I mean, plenty of different blockchains can serve plenty of different things. We're kind of in the wild, wild west now, so everyone's trying everything. Eventually, you're going to have certain things that settle down as blockchain becomes more mature. But remember, think about things like cars, right? When cars became a thing, everyone and their brother was trying to start a car company, build cars, all kinds of different cars. And eventually, there are only a couple in this, in the U.S., of course, we have GM, we have Ford, Daimler Chrysler. Japan has Toyota and Honda. You've got Hyundai in South Korea. You've got Benz and the Mercedes-Benz. You got the BMWs and the Audis in Germany, etc., etc. So this stuff is probably going to end up being the same. That you're going to have some subset of technologies that are going to become the ones that become the more standard. There's always going to be innovation, and things are always going to change. But my guess is you're not going to, we're still in the wild, wild west stage. Let's see. So the blocks are generated depending on, and so in Ethereum they pick based on how much gas they can get. And again, that's something Ethereum 2 tries to resolve with the way they're doing payments to miners. And again, like we said, and these are the traditional RPC calls. So anyway, hopefully you found this interesting. I think this is something worth seeing if we can get this up and running at some point. I definitely want to learn a little bit more about this. So I want to thank the viewer who brought this to my attention. And that's all for now. Please, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe. Please give a like. Share it with your friends. Ring the bell to get further videos. And one of the things I'm thinking of doing is moving the content to a more branded channel, but everything probably the most likely result is I'd be posting at least initially on both. I think I mentioned this before, and eventually transition. Give people a chance to come over and make sure, and I'll always link back to the playlists and things of that nature. So anyway, again, thank you, and I will speak to you next time.